gosh. Why does this look so orange?
I'm calling the shots, so see you over at Mars. It doesn't matter the cost. Seems like everybody wants to be. I think it could be me. The world's too small for me. My face up in your face. My face on every screen. Doesn't matter the cost, cause everybody wants to be famous. And I'm calling the shots, so see you over at Mars. It doesn't matter the cost, cause everybody wants to be famous.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to do a really easy and quick drugstore look. So what I usually start out with is primer, and I'm using Maybelline Master Prime by FaceStudio. This is a really good primer. Shake it up a little bit at first, and it makes my face super soft. Rub it in on your hands first, then you can just pat it into your skin. I just got my eyebrows done like henna style, so I'm kind of like weary of like touching my eyebrows. The lady at the eyebrow place said do not put makeup on them, so that's what I'm not doing. Let that sit for like a few seconds, let it soak into the skin. I'm doing this video in Ivana's room because her room is way brighter and she has this really big window in here. Alright, so let's get started on foundation. I love using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro-Glow. It's just really like good. Like it's just a good makeup that I really enjoy. This is the shade 212. I've been wanting to try the matte kind. I've heard the matte kind is like really good. I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. I don't do concealer anymore. I used to, but I don't do it anymore. I'm mostly just doing foundation, highlight, and blush, and maybe a cool lip. We'll see. Okay, so I just go in with this foundation that looks super orange today. Oh my gosh. Why does this look so orange? So orange. Probably just gonna fast forward this part. Next I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with some blush. I actually recently really enjoyed using blush. I'm usually not that into it, but I really enjoy using it now. So. Not a ton, just a little, to like bring some life to your cheeks. Next, I think I'm going to work on eyes. Next, I'm doing L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise and primer. Okay, so I finished my lip and now we're gonna set with NYX finishing matte spray. I always set with spray instead of powder, so I'm just gonna set with this and then our makeup look will be complete. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is the finished makeup look. I set it with some NYX matte finishing spray. Just subscribe down below if you guys want more videos like this from me. And of course, Ivana will be back doing videos, and it's a really exciting time for our channel on YouTube. So subscribe down below, like this video, give it a comment, let me know what kind of drugstore foundation you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Walls are caving in, and I don't like crying.